Here, eat this.
Greetings.
It looks like you got a lot more smarter by eating that thing that I invented.
What is this new formula?
So, since those guys are kinda like dumb, I invented this new thing that makes them all smart, and you're my first test subject. Shut up.
I am the first?
Yep.
Wow. This is an interesting turn.
You're back to your regular size, but you're still smart, and yeah.
Caesar smart?
Yeah.
Bro, watch this.
Caesar no change.
Watch this.
Really? You kind of.
Caesar feel funny.
Why? What happened?
Watch me.
Caesar, you fell into like a coma. Like that's one of your side effects, and like another side effect that might happen is like you might feel funny, like what you said, and you might feel angry. Caesar? Ow!
Hey, what are you doing? Get in here, you dumb monkey. Get in.
Thank you.
Feeding time. God, I hate this job. What?
Stop it.
So, oh.
Eat.
Whoa. I feel weird.
Monkey, let's leave.
I don't. Well.
Food.
Eat.
Eat. What name?
Koba.
Koba. Koba follow.
Four S.
Home.
Why?
Home.
Water.
Water.
Follow steps. Rope, stick, cut. Put on stick. Wrap. Now you have spear. Look.
We have spears.
Don't touch tip. Sharp.
What does it do?
We
Kill.
find prey.
Yes. We eat.
Prey.
How intelligent they got from the drug. God.
What to see? More prey? Who?
Scientist, I'm the one that made the drug. The other dude lied. Yes, I know, it's a good drug, but it helps you. It doesn't help mankind. It's killing mankind, but it's growing you guys.
How?
I'm sorry. How? I don't know how. I don't know.
Why you spy?
It's my boss's fault. I never wanted to do this.
Ooh.
Some people kidnap
Boss.
Jeffrey Dahmer.
Where is your boss?
He's here. He's here. He
Take
lives in
us.
the mansion.
Take us.
Okay.
Now.
My team's going great. Me, Jeffrey Dahmer.
Hey,
What? Yo.
Subject 2 and Subject
Nate.
3? What are you doing here?
why you make
What are you
this
doing
drug?
here?
Why you make drug?
I didn't make it. I stole it.
From
Who?
My cousin. He made it 5 years ago. And when he made it, he put it in a top secret lab. But since I'm his brother, I was able to do his blood samples, and then I was able to change my form into him. So I'm currently him right now, and I can't change back. So I went into the secret layer, and I stole the drug, and I got rid of everything. I got rid of every evidence of me being there, of you being there, and of you being there, because you were doctors of mine, and I did tests on you.
liar. Tom.
You're lying.
Caesar. Never.
Tom Caesar?
Scientist.
Well, that's what you want to know. That's what the drug has to do. The first drug was make you forget everything. And when that drug wore off, you remembered everything. So you're a doctor. You're also a doctor, Subject 2, or AKA Tom. You're a doctor, but you just got dumb. Dumber, and then dumber. And then you got the smart drug that I
No.
made.
Tell truth.
I stole.
No. Tell truth.
So
No. Tell truth.
Let's go,
Let's
brother.
go.
Koba.
We have to say thing. Lots of things happen.
Koba don't understand. Koba, what happened?
Boss. Monster. Die. Liar.
Liar? Liar?
Correct.
Liar is my brother.
Liar, your
Liar.
brother?
Liar tested on me. I am 01 subject. one named Koba.
Said we were
We
test
find-
subjects.
We find more secrets about Liar.
What? Who? Do you know who you were back in the day?
Scientist.
Scientist? Brother. Murdered us. Brother changed us. Brother must never live again.
Brother,
Ah!
die.
Ugh!